Hello and welcome to a brief explanation of Software as a Service, or SaaS for short. SaaS is a delivery model for software applications in which the provider hosts and manages the software and makes it available to customers over the internet. This eliminates the need for customers to install, configure, and manage software on their own local computers or servers. With SaaS, customers can access the software from any device with an internet connection, paying a subscription fee to the provider on a monthly or annual basis. This provides a number of benefits over traditional software delivery models, such as lower upfront costs, simplified maintenance and upgrades, and access to the latest features and updates. SaaS applications are typically offered in a multi-tenant architecture, meaning that the software is shared among multiple customers, with each customer having their own instance of the software and data. This provides economies of scale for the provider, allowing them to offer the software at a lower cost than if each customer had their own separate instance. In conclusion, SaaS is a popular and convenient delivery model for software applications that provides benefits for both customers and providers. With its low upfront costs, ease of use, and access to the latest features and updates, SaaS is an attractive option for organizations looking to adopt software solutions to support their operations.